Hello everyone, I am Salman Ibn Yunus. I am back here again in my YouTube channel with a new tutorial series. This time I will be teaching bioinformatics with Python. So this is the first video of my new tutorial series. So in this first video I will first talk about what is bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is a relatively recent advancement in the field of biological research, and its contribution towards in cutting edge medical research is really exceptional. So nowadays a lot of people, even from computer science, they're migrating to bioinformatics, and computational biology has a huge effect in the field of medical science and healthcare. So this is basically like a in silico computation where we can uh, do experimentations in computer rather than working in a lab, and do simulations and computations which will with the aid of computers. So I've been working in the field of bioinformatics for some time now. So this is a quite an interesting field because it is actually a amalgamation of various concepts derived from domains such as computer science, mathematics, molecular biology, genetics, statistics, and other domain. So this is basically a intersection between biology and computer science. So we are using computer science to solve biological problems through maths and statistics. Bioinformatics tries to achieve modeling of complex biological problems at the cellular level, and gains insights into the disease mechanisms from the analysis of large volume of data that is generated from maybe genome sequencing, maybe from healthcare, from surveys. So this type of data are analyzed maybe using programming languages such as Python and R. So there is a famous project called Human Genome Project, which was completed in 2003. So after that project, there is a huge explosion of biological data in the field of bioinformatics, which is playing a key role in critical inference. So during the Human Genome Project, so a comprehensive analysis of human DNA was also performed from multiple perspectives. This project started with the sequencing. DNA sequencing was performed with of all the base pairs. So this project has discovered genes, more than 20,000 of human genes, sequence DNA, and map those genes into chromosome, leading to further development of something called linkage maps, which we'll see later. So this Human Genome Project has a huge achievement and huge contribution for the development of this field of bioinformatics. So what are the future prospects of bioinformatics? So there is scope for molecular medicine, targeted gene therapy, in silico drug discovery and design can be possible using bioinformatics. So this is quite an interesting field which has already changed the landscape of healthcare. So you can see an image of a DNA. So basically we will work with DNA and those data from DNA like nucleotide or base pairs, adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. So this will be the field of our study. So this was a basic introduction. We will dive more deep from the next video, and we'll see how Python can be used in this field of bioinformatics, and how AI can play a role as well in machine learning. So this tutorial series will not be for someone who has no Python knowledge. So we expect that there will be some basic knowledge of Python, because we are not teaching Python programming here. So we will be focusing more on how to use Python for bioinformatics. So I have also some Python basic videos in my channel as well, and you can learn from other sources. So I will try to add some resources in the description of the video for learning basic Python. That's all from for today. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.